Hello and welcome to this training course on installing and activating secure exchanges on Gmail. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps required to install the extension and activate your license. Let's get started. To get started, open your browser and go to our website at www.secure-exchanges.com. Once on the website, go to the Download tab at the top left of the page. Download the plugin for Gmail. You'll then be redirected to a Google page where you can add and pin secure exchanges to your browser extensions. Once Secure Exchanges has been added to your extensions, open your Gmail mailbox, then click on the previously pinned extension. Enter the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot, then click on Activate My License to receive an activation email. Once you've received the email, open it. You will be asked if you wish to activate secure exchanges on this device. Select Yes. Now that your license is active, you can start using secure exchanges to secure your emails and attachments. It couldn't be easier. Secure Exchanges is cybersecurity made easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.